Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just making some tea. You know me, slow mornings, warm drink, quiet house. What about you?
My morning is good too. I woke up early today. I wanted to feel calm before recording this video.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I did the same. I took a short walk, just 10 minutes, nothing big, but fresh air helps my brain wake up.
Yeah, totally. And today's topic is a big one, like super important,
Oh, yeah, a lot of people are going to love this one.
right? Because today we're talking about, drum roll please.
Improve your English fluency with this powerful training.
Exactly. And honestly, this is one of my favorite topics because so many people think fluency is hard, but it doesn't have to be.
Yes, and the training we're going to talk about today is simple, friendly, and something anyone can do,
Anyone, even beginners.
especially beginners.
So let's slowly get into it. But first, maybe we should introduce ourselves, in case someone is new here.
Good idea. You go first.
Sure. Hey everyone, I'm Shirley. I'm from the United States and I love teaching English in a fun, simple, friendly way. I drink too much coffee, I watch too many old movies, and I talk a lot.
That's true. And I'm Patrick. I'm also from the US. I love helping people feel confident when they speak English. I also love cooking, even though I burn things sometimes.
Sometimes. Patrick, you almost burned your kitchen last month.
It was only a little smoke.
A little. Okay. Let's not embarrass you too much.
Please don't. I can't handle the stress.
Anyway, today we want to talk about fluency, how to get it, how to train for it, and how to feel confident when speaking English.
Yeah, and we want to do it in a super easy way. No stress, no fear. Just two friends talking.
Exactly. So let's start with the big question.
Okay, hit me.
What is fluency?
Ooh, big question. Let me think for a second. Okay, for me, fluency means this. You can speak without stopping every 5 seconds to think of a word.
Yes, and it doesn't mean perfect grammar.
Definitely not.
It doesn't mean big vocabulary.
No way.
It doesn't mean sounding like a native speaker.
Nope.
Fluency simply means you can keep going.
Yes, exactly. Fluency is like walking. You don't have to run fast. You just have to keep putting one foot in front of the other.
That's such a good example.
Thanks. I'm full of them today.
So for English, fluency means you can keep talking, even if your English is simple, even if it's slow, even if you make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good.
Exactly. Mistakes show you are using English in real life.
So the training we want to share today helps with exactly that.
So let's give it a name. What should we call this training?
How about the repeat and extend method?
Ooh, I like that. That sounds powerful.
It is powerful and simple.
Okay, let's explain it step by step.
Sure. Step 1. You repeat a short, simple sentence.
For example, I like coffee.
Yes, you just repeat that short sentence, normal voice, slow, calm, no stress.
Step 2, you extend it. You make it a little bigger, like, I like coffee in the morning.
Right. And step 3, you extend it again. For example, I like coffee in the morning because it helps me wake up.
And step 4, you extend more. Add details, add feelings, add small things, like, I like coffee in the morning because it helps me wake up. I usually drink it with milk. Sometimes I sit near the window and enjoy the quiet time.
And boom,
You are speaking fluently. You are talking in full sentences. You are building your ideas.
And the best part is, you didn't memorize anything.
Nothing. You created the English yourself.
And because it's your idea, your life, your words, it's easier to remember.
Yes, and you can train anywhere, in the shower, on a walk, in bed, in the kitchen, anywhere.
Even in the bathroom. But maybe don't tell anyone that.
Yeah, keep that secret. We don't need bathroom English stories.
So let's give more examples, because examples make everything easier.
Okay, let's start with a simple sentence. I am tired.
Good one. Everyone feels tired sometimes.
Exactly. So step 1, I am tired.
Step 2, I am tired today.
Step 3, I am tired today because I slept late.
Step 4, I am tired today because I slept late. I watched a movie last night. It finished at midnight. I should sleep earlier, but the movie was really good.
See? And you're speaking fluently. Simple English, but fluent English.
And here's something important. You don't need new vocabulary.
Yes, that's the magic.
You just use what you already know, but you use more of it.
And that's how fluency grows, like a plant. Yes, a fluency plant.
We should sell that. Buy your fluency plant today.
Maybe next year.
But really, fluency grows when you repeat and extend.
And extend.
And extend.
And extend.
Okay, calm down.
Sorry, I got excited.
Let's give another example, something about daily life, like, I took a walk.
Perfect. Step 1, I took a walk.
Step 2, I took a walk this morning.
Step 3, I took a walk this morning near my house.
Step 4, I took a walk this morning near my house. The weather was cool and nice. I listened to music. It helped me feel relaxed.
Again, simple but fluent.
So let's talk about why this training helps so much.
Okay, here's the big reason. Fluency is a skill, not a list of vocabulary words.
Exactly. Fluency is like swimming or riding a bicycle or cooking.
You don't learn to cook by just reading a recipe book.
No, you have to cook.
Yes, you have to cut things, mix things, burn things.
Please stop burning things.
I'm trying.
But yes, you learn by doing, not by thinking.
And that is how English works too. Fluency grows when you speak, when you try, when you practice small sentences again and again.
Simple sentences, not big ones.
And the beauty of this training is you can start today, right now. No teacher needed.
Just your voice
Your brain,
and a little time.
even 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes a day is enough.
Because this is about consistency, not perfection.
Yes, I love that word, consistency.
Me too. It's like the heart of fluency.
So true. Let's talk about some mistakes people make when trying to be fluent.
Oh, yes. Big problem number 1. People stay silent too much.
Yes, they learn English, but they don't use English.
Exactly. It's like buying a guitar and never touching it.
Or buying running shoes and never running. Or buying a blender and...
Stop. Don't talk about kitchen things. We know what happens.
Okay, fine. But yes, silence is the enemy of fluency.
The repeat and extend method solves that because you talk every day.
Even small talking is good.
Very good.
Another mistake people make, they think they need big vocabulary.
No. Big vocabulary helps later. But for fluency, small vocabulary is enough.
Yes, just use what you have.
And extend it.
Exactly.
Want to show a longer example, like a real mini story?
Yes, let's do a mini story using the method.
Okay, start with a small sentence.
I cooked dinner.
Good start.
I cooked dinner last night.
Now extend with feeling.
I cooked dinner last night, but I was a little tired.
Good. Now add details.
I cooked dinner last night, but I was a little tired. I made pasta. It was simple. It tasted good, but maybe a little too salty.
Perfect. Now add more.
I cooked dinner last night, but I was a little tired. I made pasta. It was simple. It tasted good, but maybe a little too salty. After eating, I watched TV for a bit and then went to bed early.
Nice. And boom, fluent English, simple English, human English,
Natural English.
and personal English.
Yes, students learn better when the English comes from their own life.
Oh, for sure.
Let's talk about confidence too, because fluency needs confidence.
Yes, many learners know English, but they feel shy.
Yes, they feel shy or scared or nervous.
And that's totally normal.
Yes, everyone feels that way sometimes.
Even I feel nervous when I speak a new language.
Me too. I'm terrible at French.
Same here. I know like 5 words.
And one of them is croissant.
Yes.
But the point is, confidence grows when you speak often,
And this method lets you speak often,
even alone.
especially alone.
Yes, alone is safe. No one listens, no one judges.
No mistakes, no pressure. So this method trains fluency and confidence at the same time.
Powerful combination.
Very powerful.
Let's give a few more examples for fun.
Okay. Simple sentence. I am hungry.
I am hungry right now.
I am hungry right now because I skipped breakfast.
I am hungry right now because I skipped breakfast. I woke up late today and I didn't have time to eat. I am hungry right now because I skipped breakfast. I woke up late today and I didn't have time to eat. I think I'll make a sandwich after this video.
Nice. And boom, now I'm hungry too. Thanks, Shirley.
Sorry.
Okay, another one. Simple. I like music.
I like music a lot.
I like music a lot. I listen to it every day.
I like music a lot. I listen to it every day. It helps me relax.
I like music a lot. I listen to it every day. It helps me relax, especially after work.
I like music a lot. I listen to it every day. It helps me relax, especially after work. My favorite music is soft piano music.
See? Easy, natural, fluent.
And fun. I love this training.
Me too.
Want to talk about one more important idea?
Sure.
Fluency comes from connection.
Yes, I agree 100%.
Fluency grows when you connect ideas, connect sentences, connect feelings.
And the repeat and extend method helps you connect ideas naturally.
Yes, because one sentence leads to another, and another, and another.
And suddenly, you're speaking for 2 minutes
Or 5 minutes.
or 10.
And you think, wow, I can do this.
And that feeling is amazing.
So amazing.
We should also tell people not to worry about speed.
Yes, slow is good.
Slow is beautiful.
Slow is clear.
Slow is confident.
You don't have to speak fast to be fluent.
Nope.
Even native speakers speak slowly sometimes.
Oh, yeah. I speak slowly until I drink coffee.
True.
So learners shouldn't try to rush.
No, slow and natural. That's the goal.
This is such a good training technique.
It really is, and I hope more learners use it.
Me too.
Okay, before we end, let's give the viewers a little challenge.
Oh, yes, a fluency challenge.
The 5-sentence challenge.
Ooh, nice. Tell them how it works.
Okay, choose one simple sentence, any sentence.
For example, I cleaned my room.
Yes. Now say it 5 times, but each time, extend it.
Make it a little longer.
Add a detail.
Add a feeling.
Add something personal.
Build your fluency.
Do it slowly.
Do it kindly.
Don't stress.
Don't try to be perfect.
Just try to speak.
That's the real goal.
Okay, Patrick, let's end with a final message for our students.
Sure. Want me to go first?
Yeah.
All right. If you want to be fluent in English, remember this. Fluency comes from using English, not memorizing it. Speak a little every day. Make simple sentences, extend them, and don't be afraid.
Beautiful. My turn. Fluency is a journey, not a test. You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need your voice, your ideas, and a little practice. You can do this. I believe in you.
Same here.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We loved talking with you.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.